Natural lash isolation is the most important step in creating a safe and comfortable lash set. In this video, we will review how to properly isolate a natural lash and give you some tips and tricks for troubleshooting isolation issues that you may face during your lash appointments.
Step 1. Set your lash light to a level that allows you to clearly see all of the natural lashes, even the tiny baby ones. Step 2. Use a longer strip of paper tape on the upper eyelid to lift up the natural lashes so the roots of the natural lashes are easy to see. Scan the natural lashes and search for a natural lash already growing apart from the rest. Step 4. Open your isolation tweezer tips, pushing surrounding natural lashes away. You should only have one natural lash between your tweezer. Now, this lash is ready to have an extension applied to it.
Do not rest your arm on the client's head. You can cause your client to have a headache. I have heard many complaints from past clients who have had bad experiences. Try to lean your isolation arm elbow on the pillow or on the bed instead of resting your wrist on the client's head.
If the client's lashes are thick and contains fewer baby lashes or the damaged lashes, it is easy to isolate. However, when a client is shedding or naturally have fine or damaged lashes, what is a proper way to isolate?
Work on the stronger lashes first. Do not spend too much time on the baby lashes in the beginning. You will exhaust yourself. Working on the stronger lashes initially will allow the baby lashes to be seen more clearly since they are no longer hidden behind the other surrounding lashes. Use super thin and short lashes on the baby lashes. Put one super thin and short lash extension on the baby lash, 0.06 mm diameter and 7 mm in length. This baby lash can now be seen and treated as a small lash. In this way, you don't put too much stress on it, and extending the baby lash slightly longer gives more space between them and makes it easier to isolate. Use a nanomister. A nanomister will force the adhesive to cure quickly. Hold the baby lash still when applying an extension and don't let it go. Spray using a nanomister on it, then let it go. In this way, the baby lashes can be isolated and will not stick together.